So welcome back to the channel, guys. Got a bit of decent weather today, so I've just come out just to get the next episode in the Litchi series for you. Today we're going to be looking at the return to home, see how that functions, the accuracy. I'm going to do a couple of tests. We're just going to do a normal return to home. We're going to do a return to home, switching the controller off with a signal loss. And then we're just going to do a return to home and see if we can switch over to the DJI Fly app whilst it's returning as well. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's see how we get on. I'm gonna get the drone set up now and we'll jump straight into it.
Recording started.
Okay, so we're up in the air, first test. All we're going to do on this one is just a normal return to home and just see how accurate it is on the Litchi app.
41 feet altitude.
Okay, I'm going to take it out about 300 feet. There we go, 310 feet there now. So yeah, we're just going to hit the return to home now, see how accurate we are.
77 feet altitude.
So turned round, coming back home now.
98 feet altitude.
Literally right above me.
$73 feet altitude. $12 feet altitude.
Okay, so it has come back home, but I'd say it's probably about 3 or 4 foot off the mat there.
Recording started.
Okay, so test 2, guys. We're just sending this one out now. We're going to just see what happens when we switch the controller off mid-flight.
74 feet altitude.
With loss of signal, just to see if it returns home normally and how accurate that is. Okay, so just over the 300 foot mark again. So we're going to switch the controller off now and see what happens.
92 feet altitude. Warning, disconnected.
Okay, so it's raising up and coming back to me. One thing that you will notice is the live feed, it sort of freezes. Don't know why it does that. Not too sure if I like that, to be honest. It's just above me again now.
Warning, disconnected. Recording started. 0 feet altitude. Warning, aircraft battery at 21%.
And now for the last test. Just going to send it out again. We are low on battery, but we'll have enough for this flight. I'm just going to send it out and just see if we can switch to the DJI Fly app mid-flight and see if that affects it.
106 feet altitude.
Okay, we've just hit the return to home. Let's swap over to DJI Fly app now.
Warning, aircraft battery at 18%.
So yeah, works flawlessly that. Swaps straight onto the DJI Fly app.
Landing.
Just dropping the gimbal just to show you that it does have full control once you do switch over to the DJI Fly app. Not too far away from that at all there. So there you go guys, that was the Litchi app, the return to home function. All in all, pretty decent results. Works well. Only one was obviously the simulated disconnection where it froze. Not too sure why it did that, but at least it come back home. Also there's a little teaser there for the follow me mode. Keep looking out for that, stay tuned for that. As usual, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all on the next one. Take care for now.